we're heading out right now to go film at Wingstop. We've been there before, but Wingstop now's like plugging their chicken sandwich, how great it is. And they have 12 different chicken sandwiches. I'm not going to try them all because all they do is give you the same chicken sandwich, but they take the chicken and they sauce it with whatever wing sauce you want that they have there. So I'm going to go look. I'm going to pick one or two of my favorite flavors, and then Tammy and I'll cut it in half. We'll show you what it looks like. Take a look at it. Did they put pickles on it? Has it got a brioche bun? How good is it, or is it not really sauced well? So anyway, we'll take a look at it and we'll show you Wingstop in just a minute. As you can see, they got new chicken sandwich now available. What is a place that doesn't have chicken sandwiches? It's like you don't exist. So you got 12 different flavors to choose from. So let's go see what we got. Okay, if you look up there, they got all the flavors. We were going to go with a spicy Korean Q, which has a little bit of heat, and we're going to go with the garlic parmesan. So we'll get up close with that in a minute. And don't forget, their Cajun fried corn is really good if you ever come here. Really delicious. Alright guys, so we're just waiting for our order. I just want to let you know the chicken sandwiches are $7.99. So let's see what comes on the sandwich. I would expect more than just a breaded chicken patty. So let's see what $7.99 gets you at Wingstop. That's good. Pickles, that's good. You got the sauce, but is there anything under?
There's nothing.
There's nothing, just the pickles and that. Okay. What's this one look like? Garlic parmesan. The buns look kind of dry.
But I think that's why they give you this blue cheese to go with it.
Oh, they give you blue cheese to go with it?
Yeah.
Okay. Not sure people are going to pour blue cheese on their chicken sandwich, but we will. And we'll let you know how it is. First comment is the buns doesn't even look, they're not warm, doesn't look like a real bun, kind of looks like a plastic commercial bun. But they look a little dry, so let's give it a try. This might have a little bit more flavor. That had a lot of garlic flavor, it was good. This will probably have a more of a, obviously, Korean. Let's give that a try. Okay guys, we just finished up. Now we're at $8. No way. You got like 3 or 4 pickles on a chicken breast that had a little bit of sauce. The bun was totally dried out. Didn't even feel real. Yeah, I'd give this chicken sandwich like a C+. The garlic parmesan, though, I have to applaud, it really worked well on the chicken. It tasted really good. The Korean barbecue wasn't bad, the flavor of the sauce. But if you're not putting cheese or tomato or lettuce on an $8 chicken sandwich, something's wrong. You had nothing on that sandwich and you paid $8. Just my opinion.